Alright, hey guys, this is my Villiers Mark 15 engine. I've just finished cleaning her out. I've put a muffler on it, I've lapped the valves, reset the spark, all the timing that is, and I've cleaned out the carb. And she runs really nice, so she's always really rich to start, so that's why I got to start off with a drill. Yeah. Oh well. Oh god, that's smoky. The rings aren't too good in it, but I mean, she's about 50 years old. I mean, I don't know an engine made today that'll last that long. So, she's not bad. She's really, really smooth. I mean, even when it's, it's a bit of misfiring there, but she runs so well. I mean, it's going to be one of the first overhead valve types. So, that's it, and see you later, guys.